Some data suggests that it's increases in estrogen, but that's not really the full story. There's other data out there that's showing it's just fluctuations in estrogen, or what we would probably think of as amplitude changes in estrogen, whether it's up or down, that's perhaps driving it. And it's not only just estrogen, right? We always say estrogen, but it's not just that. So there are some studies that are kind of looking at, what specifically is driving these differences that we all kind of broadly wrap around hormonal changes.
And one of the things that isn't commonly recognized is that what drives the whole reproductive neuroendocrine axis, meaning the levels of estrogen and progesterone coming from the sex organs, is the brain. So it all starts in a region of the brain called the hypothalamus, which we're now really understanding plays a primary role in migraine, in migraine, but also in a variety of other disorders. But clearly now changes in the hypothalamus are occurring at the very earliest stages of a migraine attack. And just to be clear, the hypothalamus is a kind of a master controller, not just of sex hormones, but other things like fluid balance, appetite, the sleep-wake cycle. So all these things that are tied in with migraine. And so it may well be that rather than the downstream estrogen and progesterone levels, that really it's what's happening upstream in the hypothalamus that is actually what might be driving the differences in migraine in women as compared with men.